What's up everyone, how's it going? This is your man TJ Singh right here. So guys, India right now is facing this huge pandemic that has gone out of control, and this is the little gadget that everybody is using right now to check their SpO2 level or the oxygen level in their bloods. So this tells you that if your oxygen level is low and you need to see the doctor or you need to get the oxygen for you. So in this video I will be showing you guys how to use it the right way so that you can get the accurate reading out of this pulse oximeter. So guys, this is our pulse oximeter, and this uses this two batteries that you need to install in it in order to get it work. So this has the clip-on mechanism right here which clips on the finger. So this is your OLED screen, and this is the single button that you're going to use it to operate the pulse oximeter. So let me just quickly turn it on for you guys, and this is our OLED screen. So you can see it has a sensor inside of it. When I put my finger inside, so let me just quickly turn it on. So if I put my finger inside, you can see this infrared light turns on and the battery is running out in my case, but let me just quickly show you guys. So this is how the infrared light turns on when you just put your finger inside of it. So basically guys, before using this you need to relax for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you can use your index finger or the middle finger. You can use any one of these fingers of either hand and that will be good. So guys, what I do is after relaxing for 5 to 10 minutes I clip this onto my finger, and I just simply relax and I put my hand on a stable surface like this. So but just for demonstration purposes I will be turning on this pulse oximeter and I will be showing it on the screen, but you have to rest your hand on some surface so you can see it will calculate the SpO2 level in your body, and after it shows you the reading you need to wait for around 30 seconds to 1 minute in order to get this reading stabilized. The stable reading after 1 minute will be the reading that will be the accurate reading for you guys. So you can see the SpO2 level is 99%, and this is the PI percent, which is perfusion index. It should be anywhere around from 0.02 to 20%, and this is my heart rate or the pulse. So right now I'm talking, so that's why it's fluctuating as well. So it will come to the stable reading. So you will be seeing it on the screen what are the stable readings for the pulse or the heart rate. So this is your battery indicator. It shows you if you need to replace the batteries as well. So you can see I'm just talking to you guys, it is fluctuating, but you need to relax for about 1 minute after turning it on so that you can get the stable reading. So this is pretty much it guys. I hope you learn this process so that you can get the stable reading out of this oximeter, and I hope that no one needs to use these things and everyone stays safe. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I hope this pandemic ends very soon and our people get relief from this pandemic. So I will be catching you in the very next video guys. Till then, take care and stay safe with your family.